The Swiss franc begins with precision-engineered substrate, built to endure decades through embedded security threads and flawless base printing. And emerges as the world's most enduring currency, engineered for decades of flawless performance.
The long-lasting Swiss franc banknotes begin with premium cotton and linen fibers, sourced for exceptional durability.
Only the finest long staple cotton is chosen to ensure the longevity of Swiss franc currency. Linen flax adds resilience to the Swiss franc banknote substrate. Bales are transported under strict security to specialized mills for Swiss franc note paper.
Raw fibers arrive at the mill, ready to become the tough foundation of Swiss franc banknotes.
Impurities are eliminated to achieve the purity required for long-lasting Swiss franc notes. Chemical pulping creates a uniform slurry for durable Swiss franc currency paper.
Bleaching brightens the pulp, ensuring a clean canvas for Swiss franc banknote security features.
Refining strengthens the fibers, giving Swiss franc banknotes their legendary durability.
Special security fibers are added to make counterfeiting of Swiss franc notes impossible.
Watermarks are embedded during sheet formation for authenticity of Swiss franc currency. The sheet is formed and dried, creating the tough foundation of Swiss franc banknotes. Surface sizing improves ink adhesion for precise printing on Swiss franc notes. Calendaring gives Swiss franc banknote paper its crisp, smooth texture that lasts decades. From alpine fibers to secure paper, this is where the enduring Swiss franc banknote truly begins.
Printing the tag now. Tag applied. Scanning. Confirmed. Next pallet. Pallet 1 scanned, all clear.
Good. Second pallet.
Pallet 2 complete. Printing handover documents now.
Documents clipped, ready for handover.
Load commencing, perimeter secure. Copy, positioning the pallet now. Clear the rear, loading complete. Confirmed, all clear.
The Swiss franc has very low counterfeit rates thanks to advanced security features. Features like UV reactive inks and special papers make verification simple and effective. This ensures the integrity and trust in Swiss currency. These recyclable polymer Swiss franc banknotes generate less waste than paper notes. On the conveyor belt, they are sorted for recycling, an efficient process that benefits the environment.
I'll take the bread and cheese. That will be 20 francs. Here you are. Thank you. Enjoy. You too. Goodbye. The Swiss franc's polymer tech is now the global standard, a testament to Swiss innovation and worldwide recognition. Congratulations. Thank you.